Hello everybody, so in today's video I will be showing you how to correctly set environment variables in macOS environment. So let's get to it. Alright, so like I mentioned in this video I will be showing you how to correctly set environment variables in macOS environment. And for me I'm using the latest version of MacBook Air. So this one is the one that uses Apple chip M3 and it is macOS Sonoma 14.16.1. So I think the latest versions of MacBook probably differs from the previous ones when it comes to setting environment variables. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to actually set environment variables so that all of your installations work properly. Okay. So I'm going to come to my terminal and I'm going to open it. So previously there are some packages that I've installed in tools, and one of them is Homebrew, and I also installed MySQL. But for some reason, when I type brew here, it doesn't seem to be running properly. And also when I type MySQL, for example, it's not showing up. But I did install them and set the environment variables when I installed them. But when I close the terminal and open it back, it's not showing up. So I figured out what the problem was, and in this video I will be showing you the solution for that. Okay, so if you go to your home directory, users directory, so for me currently that's where I am, and list the hidden files, you can see that we do have a number of hidden files here. And what I did was, initially we didn't have this bash profile, so I stored all of my environment variables inside here in bash profile. Okay, so this is where I set my environment variables, but for some reason this does not seem to work properly in macOS environment. I think it works in Linux if you put it in bash environment, but I think because the terminal version that we are using is C shell, then it's not able to recognize the bash profile for some reason. So at the beginning when I did this and refreshed it, it was working within the window. But then after I closed the terminal and tried to run again, these commands, they were not running properly. So the reason for that again is because you have your variables set here. So what we need to do is move these variables, or instead of creating them inside bash profile, you need to create them inside the C shell RC, this one right here. Okay, so this is where you need to set these ones up, and once you do that, then your commands will be running properly. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So if I currently list what's inside the C shell RC like that, you can see that it's only this command that updates gcloud. And if you check gcloud here, it's probably going to run. Okay, yeah, so it's going to run because it's inside C shell. And again, we are using C shell version of the terminal, that's why. So then what we need to do is I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy these ones. I'll just probably include the one for cloud as well. But I'm going to copy that and I will move it to a text editor. So I'm just going to put them here. Okay. So again, this is where my commands are installed. So for example, I have MySQL located here in users local directory, and my homebrew is located here in the opt homebrew bin directory. I also included this one for Cloud SDK, but it's also been already included. So I'm just going to copy all of these three. And what I will do is I will go back to terminal and I'm going to open using Vim or VI the C shell. Okay, so I'm just going to clear this and we will do, let me just list it again so you can see, and we will do vi. That is just a text editor that you can use to edit your text and all. And then I'm going to open crc. Okay, so what we'll do is we will append we'll append the paths or those exports at the end of this file here. So I'm just going to go to the end here, and I'm going to hit I on my keyboard, and that's going to insert, and we will just right click here and paste. Okay, so now we have our path for MySQL here, and then for Homebrew right here, and then I also included the one for Cloud CLI. Okay, so when I save this now, so to save that, just click escape and then colon WQ. That's going to save it, and then we can refresh it after that. Okay, so refresh it, C shell RC, like that. Okay, there's a typo there. All right, there we go. Okay, so that is refreshed now. So if we check MySQL now, hopefully it's going to work. Okay, there we go. So MySQL now is working, and if we check brew, which is what was a problem with me here, there we go. So we can see now that Homebrew is showing up, and even PQ, maybe PQ fashion. I don't know if that is a thing. Okay, so it looks like PQ does not have a fashion, but gcloud should run fine. Okay, so there we go. So now in future, if you want to install some other packages and you need to set the environment variables, remember, if you're using this version of terminal that uses C shell, you need to set the environment variables for that inside the this directory here. Yeah, so I think I'm going to remove this, or I'll just leave it because it doesn't seem to be working fine. So if we close this window now, if I just quit out of my terminal and then open it again, we should still be able to run those commands. Okay, so they now persist. Okay, so prove the same thing. All right, there we go. So that's the solution for that. So if you are running into that problem, I hope this video helped you out. Alright guys, that's all I wanted to show in this video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please take a second and hit the subscribe button so that you can be notified. Also, don't forget to like this video and also put your comments as well. Alright guys, thank you. Bye bye.